Hi, and welcome to 33247 Shelley Lynne Drive. Now, notice the exterior here. This is all brick and aluminum, so it is a real maintenance free. Underneath the living room, you have hardwood flooring. Down the hall, there's hardwood flooring. This is my favorite part, this open kitchen concept. Updated cabinetries, I really do like that hutch. But you have beautiful cabinets. To the left there is a half bath, perfect for guests. And then to the right, you have the family room. So a nice open area, perfect for entertaining. In that family room, you do have a natural fireplace and an 8-foot doorwell leading out to the backyard patio, perfect for barbecuing. You're going to go out there, but you can see how this whole area hubs for entertaining and for family use. It's really quite special. What type of updates do they have? Let's see. You name it. New roof in 2015. Bryant Central Air Conditioning Unit 2018. Rainbird Lawn Sprinkler System. You've got everything you can need. I told you about the low maintenance exterior. This is the full bath shared by the 3 bedrooms that are pretty nice size. And that is a shower tub combo, very convenient. Now, one of the things I really like about these bedrooms is it really allows a lot of natural light coming in. I like the dual windows, which is, I believe, on 2 of the bedrooms. Here again, that 3/4 inch hardwood flooring. This is not like that pre-finished hardwood flooring. You can redo this one 100 times. As your tastes change, you can refinish that floor. Once again, beautiful house, lots of nice high-end updates, and it can be yours. Don't miss out. This house will not last. I'm Rich Sparks, Keller Williams Realty. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye now.